Dear children, in our previous session, we learnt how to find whether a number is a multiple of 9 by using casting out 9 method. In this session, we are going to use the same method casting out 9 to verify the addition facts, subtraction facts, multiplication facts and division facts. First, let us recall about casting out 9's method. We must know what is a digital root before getting into the method casting out 9. Digital root is nothing but the sum of all the digits of the number is called a digital root. For example, if the number is 245, then the digital root of the number 245 is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 5, which is equal to 11. And when it is a 2-digit number, again you have to add the digits. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Got it? Now 2 is the digital root of the number 245. The two main steps under casting out 9 method are: the first step is to cast out all the 9s and other numbers that adds up to 9. That is the components of 9. Example, the number combinations given below adds up to 9. These can be ignored. Let me show you an example. The number 29,681. Here, to apply the first step of casting out 9, you can cancel the number 9. Also, you can cancel the number 8 and 1 because the addition of 8 and 1 is equal to 9. Got it? Now, the step 2 of the method is to find the digital root. We all know what a digital root is, right? We need to add all the digits of the number till we get a single digit. So, in the given number, after casting out 9, 8 and 1, the addition of the remaining two digits are 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Casting out 9 digital root eppadi kandupidikiradunu purinjudha? Okay. We can use this casting out 9 method to verify addition problem, subtraction problem, multiplication problem and division problem. Verification of addition fact using casting out 9 method. The addition statement given is 4,355 plus 5,369 is equal to 9,724. Here, the numbers 4,355 and 5,369 are called addends in the addition statement, and the answer is called the sum of the addends. Ipo, in the addition statement, correcta illaya அப்படின்றத casting out 9 method use பண்ணி நம்ம verify பண்ணி பார்க்க போறோம். Shall we? The first step is to casting out all the 9s and the components of 9. So on the sum side, we cancel 9 and 7 and 2 because 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. On the left hand side, that is addend side, we cancel 4, 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 and also 3, 6. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, right? Now, the step 2 is to find the digital root of each number. How do we find the digital root of the numbers? By adding all the digits in it. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 4. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 5 is equal to 4. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 is equal to 4. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 is equal to 4. So, both the numbers are equal on both the sides, right? Therefore, the addition statement or the addition fact given is correct. Similarly, we can verify subtraction fact using casting out 9's method. Subtraction is nothing but addition in reverse, right? Look at this example, children. Here, 4,897 is the minuend, 2,186 is the subtrahend, 2,711 is the difference. The step 1 is to cast out all the 9s. The step 2 is to find the digital root of each number and then apply the subtraction as it is a subtraction problem. Finally, find the digital root of the subtraction answer. So the answer comes as 2 is equal to 2, which means the subtraction fact is correct. Similarly, we can check any multiplication problem using the casting out 9s method. Look at this example, children. The multiplicand is 327, 42 is the multiplier, and the product given is 13,734. Step 1 is to cast out all the 9s and the components of 9. 2 and 7 is cancelled here. Step 2 is to find the digital root of the multiplicand, multiplier and the product. So 3 into 6 is equal to 18. 18 is equal to 18. 1 plus 8 is equal to 1 plus 8, which gives 9 is equal to 9. So the given multiplication fact is correct. Similarly, in division problem, we can check the quotient by casting out 9s method. We all know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Shall we check this? Take the simple example, children. 16 divided by 7 is equal to 2. Quotient and remainder is equal to 2. Now apply the formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. You get it right? Let me show you an example of how to verify the division fact using casting out 9s method. 525 divided by 15 is equal to 35. 525 is the dividend, 15 is the divisor, 35 is the quotient. Here the remainder is 0. If the division fact is given along with remainder, then we need to subtract the remainder from the dividend. Okay? The first step is to cast out all the 9s and components of 9. There is no 9 and no components of 9 in this problem. So, I am directly going to the second step of finding the digital root. 5 plus 2 plus 5, 1 plus 5 is equal to 3 plus 5, right? So 12 divided by 6 is equal to 8. We know that division is the reverse of multiplication. So I am taking the 6 onto the right hand side as multiplication. So 12 is equal to 8 into 6. Finding the digital root again, we get 3 is equal to 3. So the division fact is right. Now solve the book back problems using casting out 9s method. Verify if the facts given are right or wrong. Call me for doubts, children. Thank you.